Hello everyone, welcome to Pikachu's channel. I know I never show you guys in the middle of the day, but thought I'd give you guys a little bit of feeding the dogs. Dodger, Rocky, Timon, Pumbaa. Pumbaa. Well, right now Pumbaa is getting love from my boyfriend. Oh, there he is. Rocky, go eat your food, boy. Come on. So they're all munching down right now. So this is what the daytime looks. I know I'm usually recording about 6 or 7 at night. For you that don't remember, this one's Timon with the blue collar. Dodger is not in sight right now. But this one with the gray collar is Pumbaa. And this one's Rocky. And this little guy right here is Dodger. Hi, Dodger. And they're eating right now. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Sorry, I'm tired. And why I'm tired, you may ask, is because I went to bed late. Like 3 o'clock in the morning. Rocky. Rocky. Rocky's eating. And the other ones are over here on this other side. My boyfriend getting a pet. So that's why they're not eating right now. And they're slowly coming back. Hey, Rocky. Hi, boy. Yeah, I know. You smell another dog on me. And this Dodger. Oh. And there's the little wagon I was pulling around the other day. Excuse me. Come on. Come on. Pumbaa, Dodger, and Timon and Rocky is by my boyfriend. Getting petted, getting loved. Here's Timon. So if any of you are animal lovers, just love them and cherish them and just be there for them, because they're just like humans too. They eat, they drink water, they need air to breathe, and they need TLC. Like my socks, they're mismatched. One's pink and one's orange. Pumbaa. Hi. Hi, Pumbaa. Hi, Timon. Hi. Hi, Timon. Ew, I had dog hair in my mouth. What the heck? It's a beautiful day, besides it's hot. And it's a little bit windy, which feels pretty good if you're in the shade, not the sun. Dodger. Hey, Dodger. Oh, hi, Timon. Hi, boy. Yeah. Tell everybody, like our channel. Subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell every time we make a video. You'll be notified. Stupid flies. Hey, Dodger. Hey, boy. Yeah, hi. Hey, Dodger. Oh. Timon. Hi, Timon. Hi, Timon. Oh, there's Rocky. If you guys are a fan of Rocky, here he is. Then there's Pumbaa. And there's Timon and Dodger. Hey, Pumbaa. Ah. Pumbaa, Pumbaa. Hey, Pumbaa. That's Dodger and Timon. Hey, Dodger. Hey, boy. Trying to get you guys on video and you're following me. Oh, there's Pumbaa. Snacking on what everybody left. Timon and Dodger wrestling. They're playing with each other. They always like to play. Bless you. Oi. Don't go behind me, guys. You're gonna make me fall. Oh. Sorry, Rocky. I mean to step on you, my bad. Hi, Rocky. Hi, boy. Dodger, why is your tail all wet? Let's look at Rocky. Yeah. So I was chilling out here with the dogs while they eat. Hi, Timon. Hey, boy. Hi, yeah. Hey, Timon. Oh, comes Dodger. Hey, Dodger. Hi. And then here's Pumbaa. Fat boy. Hi, Pumbaa. Hi. Alright, don't bite. Hi, Dodger. Dodger's so cute. Dodger, Dodger. And there's Rocky way over there drinking water. And here's Timon and Pumbaa. Timon and Pumbaa. Oh. Look at the bell, or whatever you call this thing. Pretty much done with the dog food, except for they got one more bowl to eat out of. Hey, Dodger. Hey, Timon. Hey, boy. Nice Rocky. Oh, want to say hi to everybody? Yeah. Timon. Hi, Timon. Oh. Okay, I guess that's it for our video today. Stop licking my legs. You're licking the salt off my legs, you weirdo. So I hope everyone has a good day. And God bless. Until next time. So hit the big thumbs up, like our video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so you get notified every time I make a new video. Later.